If you're trying to decide between Grok 3 and Claude, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down Grok 3 versus Claude in the areas that matter most, including reasoning, coding, writing, web search, image understanding, and integrations, so you can choose the right AI for your workflow. And if you find this comparison helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials and practical software guides. Let's start with the big picture. Grok 3 and Claude are both powerful AI assistants, but they're built with slightly different strengths. That means the better choice depends on what you actually want to do. If you need fast, practical answers and real-time information, Grok 3 can be a strong option. If you want deeper reasoning, cleaner writing, and more reliable help with complex tasks, Claude often has the edge. First, let's talk about reasoning. Claude generally delivers more accurate and more structured reasoning on complex prompts. That makes it especially useful when you need step-by-step explanations, careful analysis, or responses that stay organized across longer tasks. Grok 3, on the other hand, tends to focus on speed and practical replies. So if your priority is quick back-and-forth problem-solving, Grok can feel more responsive. But for thoughtful analysis, Claude is usually the safer choice. Now let's move into coding. This is one area where Claude is widely preferred. If you're working on programming, debugging, code explanations, or even large code bases, Claude often produces stronger results. It tends to explain logic more clearly and keep track of complex context better. Grok 3 is definitely capable, but it can be less consistent when the coding task gets advanced or when the project becomes large. So for developers, Claude is often the better default choice. Next up is writing. If you want natural, detailed, and polished writing, Claude usually comes out ahead. It's very strong for blog posts, summaries, emails, scripts, and professional content where tone and flow matter. Grok 3 is often more concise and conversational, which can be great if you want something shorter or more casual. But if your goal is refined, high-quality writing, Claude is typically the better pick. Let's talk about web search and real-time information. This is where Grok 3 has a major advantage. Because it has real-time access to information from X, formerly Twitter, and the wider web, it can be especially useful for breaking news, trending topics, and fast-moving events. Claude also supports web search, but availability can depend on your plan and region, so if current information is your top priority, Grok 3 may be more useful in that moment. Now for image understanding, both models can analyze images, screenshots, and documents, which is extremely useful for tutorials, research, and troubleshooting. But Claude is often stronger when it comes to extracting and explaining information from PDFs and complex files. If you're dealing with dense documents, charts, or multi-page materials, Claude is usually the more reliable choice. Grok 3 can still help, but Claude tends to be better at detailed document analysis. Let's look at integrations. Grok 3 integrates closely with the X platform, which makes sense if you're already active on X and want your AI experience tied into that ecosystem. Claude, meanwhile, integrates with tools like Google Workspace and development environments such as VS Code. That makes Claude especially appealing for productivity, collaboration, and software workflows. So again, the better option depends on where you work and what tools you already use. So what's the overall verdict? If you want the better AI for coding, writing, research, and document analysis, Claude is usually the stronger choice. If you want quick answers, real-time web information, and close integration with X, Grok 3 is the better option. A simple way to think about it is this. Choose Claude when accuracy, structure, and polished output matter most. Choose Grok 3 when speed, trends, and live information matter most. In many cases, the best AI is the one that matches the task in front of you, not just the one with the biggest headline. If this comparison helped you decide between Grok 3 and Claude, please hit the like button, subscribe for more AI comparisons and tutorials, and let me know in the comments which one you're using right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.